I wake up reaching for what ain't there. Your side of the bed still holds the air. The way your hand fit perfect in mine, like we were made in the same design. I miss your smell on my favorite shirt. The way you laugh could kill the hurt. Your voice could calm me down, no lie. Now it's just silence when I close my eyes.
Did you forget how good we were? Or does it cut you like it cuts me, hurt for her?
I'm missing pieces, missing you. Every part of what we had was true. Your smile, your touch, the way we'd fade into each other unafraid. Now I'm incomplete, can't find my way
without the pieces that you took away. I see your face in strangers passing by, hear humor and jokes that make me cry. You fit me like nothing else could do. Now I'm just walking around without you. The morning feels colder than before. Your warmth was something I've been searching for. I trace the memory on my skin of how your fingers felt back then.
Do you remember what we had? Or am I holding on to something already past? I'm missing pieces, missing you. Every part of what we had was true. Your smile, your touch, the way we'd fade into each other unafraid. Now I'm incomplete, can't find my way
without the pieces that you took away. I keep your laughter in my head on beat. I feel your absence in everything. We were a puzzle that made sense complete. Now we're just scattered, forgetting. I'm missing pieces, missing you. Every part of what we had was true. Your smile, your touch, the way we'd fade into each other unafraid.
Now I'm incomplete, can't find